What if your everyday views would include the lake, the park, rolling hills, and an unforgettable sunset? Welcome to 28931 Via Pasatiempo in Laguna Niguel. A 5-bedroom, 3-bath residence offering approximately 2,500 square feet on a coveted single lotus street overlooking Laguna Niguel Regional Park and the lake. Let's check it out.
With a secondary suite on the main level with a full bath, an oversized primary suite with an extended view balcony, owned solar, and a resort-style backyard, this home surely delivers the style and setting that are rarely found together. With the views, versatility, and access to the resort-like amenities at the club at Rancho Niguel, this truly is Laguna Niguel living at its best.